And today, I might sound echoey. I sound weird right now, but we're standing under the Durango door because it's raining. It never fails. Seems like every time we do something, it rains. But we knew it was going to rain today and tomorrow. But we got something in the mail for the Durango. And we're actually going to be putting on. I called, well actually Katie called, and she's like, hey, we need some exhaust work done. Could you do it? And they're like, yeah, just bring it on in. So we got the part today and getting it put on today. But check this out. It's electric cutouts. It's got a switch here. Basically, we can just leave it in the Durango. But this, I think this is one I had out. It's got the, basically it plugs up to a cigarette lighter. Later on we might hardwire it, but we'll just leave it like that for now. This is what, well, if I can get it, this is what we're gonna have put on. Yeah, Georgia, she's up there yelling, yeah, America. All right, this is what we're gonna actually have put on. It's a electric cutout. We got two, since it is doors all the way back. This will go to the exhaust, and this is the cutout. So when we hit that right there, it'll come straight out and dump and everything like that. I'm thinking, yeah, I think that's the way it is. I don't know if we're gonna put like two small turn downs or anything like that. I want to talk to my cousin because he's the one done exhaust work on this and exhaust work on the Cummins and everything. So I always take my stuff to him because there's a lot of people who has like old classic cars. He's always sending me, you know, videos and stuff he's working on. I think Camaros, Mustangs. So he's always doing a lot of classic cars for a lot of these people around here because he's just really good at doing exhaust work, and he takes pride in it and everything. He loves cars too, so that's always good when you have a car person doing car things. And that's what I told you from the beginning. Yeah, and Katie will not let me take the Durango anywhere else except there when we have stuff done, unless I do it. Now I only think she trusts me.
I would trust you.
You trust me?
I know you wouldn't do nothing to get me and Georgia hurt.
Yeah, I wouldn't do anything, Jake. But yeah, I wouldn't do anything to like get Georgia and him hurt. But she will only let me take the Durango there if it does any work because, you know, we trust him. Plus it's my cousin, and you know, I know he takes pride in his work. But we're gonna get ready, hit the road, go up there and have it done. And as soon as we get it done, we're going to take it and we'll go through a tunnel. We got this tunnel over in Bluefield, West Virginia. You know where anything about you know, Mercer County, then you know about East River Tunnel. That's a pretty good spot to let the vehicle rip, and you can hear the pipes and everything like that. But we'll get ready to go. I don't know if you can see this or not, probably. But I did get my mic and everything in. Hopefully you can't see that hanging down. No, you can't. I did get my mic and everything and my camera holder in. I got to get one more piece. My allergies are going or something. I got to get one more piece to hook up the mic, so hopefully it'll sound a little better. But people has been saying the videos look a lot better, everything like that. So hopefully it continue to make everything better. Anyways, let's hit the road. All right. I just realized that I didn't get my other battery for the camera, so the camera is probably going to go dead on us at some point. So I have to film the good parts. But I just want to let you know, it is raining, and I don't know what it is, but every time it rains, well, every time Katie drives my truck, Durango, whatever, it rains. Like, I mean, it literally rains. It's got to where, like, it's not even funny. And like, even I posted on Instagram, we was going to a car cruise and it rained, and Dirt Slinger commented, or he actually messaged me, he's like, I bet Katie was driving. I was like, she was driving. It just started to rain. So if you're in West Virginia, if there's rain around you, it's probably because Katie's driving. I just want to say I'm sorry. It never fails. Oh yeah. Dango's about to have a little bit of a little, I guess it'd be upgrade. I don't know if it's upgrade or not. So you can't really hear it right now.
Not a lot.
it since it's low. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Oh yeah, that sounds so much better. So much better. Yeah. I love that better. That's the best sound right there. You happy with it?
Yeah.
Good, good.
I like it.
I like it. I like it. It's gonna be so much better. I'm telling you, you would be able to fool the cops like crazy with that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, buddy. All right, so we are actually now heading to the tunnel because, of course, Katie wants to try it in the tunnel. I do too. I think it's going to be pretty sweet. She absolutely loves it.
I do. I'm very pleased.
It's actually not that loud in the vehicle, like not as loud as you think it would be, because it is dumping under a floor where we're actually sitting, but it's not that bad. And you know, like my cousin's saying, you know, hopefully like it. I was like, well, to be honest, if you don't like it, that's a cool golf cart. That's like Back to the Future. If you random, if you don't like it, you just keep it closed. I mean, that's basically, you know, what you can do and stuff. So, you know, we was talking like, you know, if you go through like a little town or where the cops are, you know, funeral or anything like that, you can close it. This thing is going to sound mean when you start up in the morning. It's got that real high idle, but it sounds pretty good. But when she gets in the tunnel, it's going to be pretty loud. It's going to be loud. And Georgia's like back there sleeping. She don't even care. She's like, whatever. She's used to daddy's straight pipe coming. So, yeah. So let's head to the tunnel. Well, if you don't know, this is East River, it's East River tunnel. East River. The next one's Big Walker, but this is a East River tunnel. And it's one of a few tunnels, I think, around. Hey, where's your butt? Find the button before we run out tunnel. All right, if you hit the A, try it now. All right, there's that one. Tell me that is not the baddest thing. You know what? This might not be the baddest Durango around, but daggone, it's the only one that's got cutoffs. So. That I know, or cutouts. That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. That's so cool. Yeah,
I like it.
Well, hey, you know what? As long as she's happy, I'm happy. As long as it's with her vehicle, because she ain't happy with my truck, it's okay. Say, like, I think it sounds good. I mean, I know everybody's got their preference for everything, but it makes it sound like, you know, it's mean. Before it sounded great, but just sitting, if it wasn't a cold start or anything, it really didn't have that, you know, high idle knew something was done with it. Now when you got on it was fine, but you had to be, you know, you had to be on it pretty good to hear it good. She wanted, so when she started up, you heard it just sitting there, blah, 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 you know, and when, you know, just a little bit, you'd hear it. So it's going to be pretty good. I'll try to get a video of it out, you know, going by and everything. All right, so we are back at the house. You don't know, you know, we did like to let you cut off. Now this is actually remote. You got A and B. You can actually open it just a little bit, or you can open it all the way. But if you open it just a little bit, it sounds like you kind of have an exhaust leak and stuff like that. But the cool thing is, watch this. We'll hit this. All right, go ahead. Now that's how it sounded before. It sounds good, but it's not really that loud unless you're high RPM. So when we're cruising like at the cruise or something, you can't really hear it. So A, I said A is for adulting, B is for bad mama. Ain't that right, baby?
Right.
There's bad mama. Sounds pretty good. Like, I gotta admit, like, I'm kind of jealous. But then when I start that 5.9 up there and you hear the rattling of the bald eagles, it makes me feel better. But this thing is nice. I like it. Like, we're slowly getting stuff. Now there is a Hellcat Durango